How do you know when to use your PIP benefits versus your health insurance? Well, PIP pays for 80% of your medical bills up to $10,000, and you don't have to pay that back. This is regardless of fault. So if you go to the hospital, you give them your PIP information, that PIP's probably going to be gone, or a good chunk of it's going to be gone. Health insurance you should use certainly after the PIP benefits have been exhausted. And for most people, that's going to be $10,000. So after that's exhausted, your health insurance kicks in and you can use that. Now, they have what's called a right of subrogation, and that's just a fancy lawyer term for give us our money back. We paid out money for this claim and we want our money back. So this is good and bad. The good part is I can negotiate that down. So, if it's $10,000 that they paid out, I can negotiate that down. I'm not going to be paying them $10,000. It'll be something less than that. And every case is different, but that's how that works. Also, it's a lower amount that you owe in medical bills because so the health insurance, they have what's called a contracted rate with the doctors. So if the doctor says, hey, I charge $10,000 for this procedure, and health insurance said, well, if you want to accept our health insurance, you're going to get paid $1,000 and you're going to write off the rest. And the doctor says, okay. So it's a greatly reduced rate typically on health insurance. So the medical bills that end up being owed at the end of the case are substantially less if you use your health insurance. So you want to use your PIP first, but that's going to get exhausted pretty quick if you're seriously injured. Then your health insurance, you should use that and understand they have that right of subrogation. But any good lawyer is going to negotiate that down. And by the way, that makes no difference in the amount of money that I make or any other lawyer makes, but it makes a huge difference in what you make. Because every dollar that we can get down for the medical bills, that's $1 for you, for the client. And of course, we want our clients to be happy and tell other people about us and keep coming back if they do get injured, that sort of thing. So that's how it works, guys. PIP versus health insurance. So generally, use your PIP first, use your health insurance after that. It's going to be more advantageous for you because you're going to have lower medical bills, which means you're going to get more money at the end of the case. Until next time, this is Gray from GrayTesh.com. Remember, law is not black or white, it's gray.